Project quality management is the knowledge area we're covering today. What is quality management? Welcome to the 1 Minute Plus summary. This is where I break down the PMBOK guide chapters for you very quickly in 1 minute or more. And today we're talking about quality. What is quality? It's fitness for use, conformance to requirements, and customer satisfaction. Those three things at a minimum must be present: fitness for use, conformance to requirements, and customer satisfaction. Now, quality could be perceptual, so it's very important in the first process, plan quality management, that we define what exactly is quality in the eyes of the customer. I often say quality is in the eye of the beholder. Therefore, it needs to be defined. So from here, we get a quality management plan that defines quality, so everyone is on the same page, that defines the quality standards that the project should seek to undertake and adhere to. And also, it is where we define things such as the quality metrics that are the attribute that we will measure in the final deliverable or in the process. So we get our quality management plan and quality metrics from this process. And then we move into the next process, which is known as manage quality. Now that sounds rather undramatic for those of you who have been in the world of quality. You typically would hear this being called quality assurance. Quality assurance is where you are assuring the customer, the stakeholders, that quality standards are indeed being met. But we don't call it quality assurance by name. It is the covert name. The real name is manage quality, just as it sounds. From manage quality, we obtain certain documentation known as a quality report. And this quality report needs to be updated all throughout the project to inform management, stakeholders, customers about how quality standards are being met and the state of quality on the project as a whole. So even though we get it as an output from here, manage quality, it still needs to be updated. One of the other things we do here is design for X. In instances where we're designing a product, a widget, a deliverable, we could design for certain characteristics and features to be prominent. For example, IKEA designs furniture for, well, you know, ease of assembly. Some other products are designed for ease of use. Now that could be debatable. I'm not going to go there. But we could also design for fashion. You could design a pair of shoes for fashion. You could design a jacket for comfort, making sure that it's lightweight, durability, and things such as that. That is your design for X. It is part of manage quality. After manage quality, the next thing that we do is control quality. Now, as usual, in the real world, those of you who have been in the world of Six Sigma, you know that we call this quality control. But because PMI names the processes verb noun, it does sound a little bit off, but it's control, verb, quality. In the real world, we just call it QC, quality control. So quality control is different from quality assurance. In other words, manage quality, quality assurance, is different from control quality, quality control. When you hear the word control, you need to be thinking about a product. So quality control, or control quality as the name goes in the PMBOK guide, that is checking the product. Manage quality or quality assurance is checking the process. Checking the process and checking the product are two different things. I look at this as prevention being better than cure. Quality assurance, prevention. You are preventing your team from doing the wrong thing by ensuring quality is baked in to the process and is enforced through audits. Quality control, or control quality, on the other hand, could be looked at as a last step, and without quality assurance, it is a reactive step. Because if you've not assured quality and you're checking quality into a product, the likelihood is you will find errors in some instances. So it's better to prevent quality from going off track than to try to inspect it in. Prevention over inspection is something that quality experts often say. As part of this, you do need to be familiar with a control chart. You need to be able to identify the rule of 7. You need to understand what is in control, out of control, the UCL, the LCL, the LSL. Maybe even understand the concept of what is out of control. How many deviations away from the mean is it? And things such as that. These are topics that we cover in our training. If you're looking to learn more and take a course for your PMP, I would advise you to go to praizion.com, Praizion.com. Look for the link below. Also, join both channels. My personal channel, which is youtube.com/PMBOK guide, and also the Praizion channel, youtube.com/Praizion. Subscribe, you'll get notified when these videos are out. But in closing, let's talk about what you actually get from control quality. You get verified deliverables. You could also get work performance information. You could get change requests. But a verified deliverable is a deliverable that has been inspected and the stamp of approval has been put on it. This verified deliverable gets sent to the customer in the validate scope process, which we talked about in a previous session. It's been a pleasure talking to you today. Thank you very much for joining me. I wish you all the best in your prep. Remember, check the links below. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat or comments. Bye for now.